as you can tell, I already took off that bolt right there, including, let me zoom out, including this bolt right here. So this is the rack and pinion that we're gonna be replacing. We completely removed the tie rod, so now the wheel is completely just gone sideways. So another thing that we're gonna be doing today is the airbox replacement with this used one that I got from an app. This one is the original. I'm still gonna salvage it because it's still good. I'm just gonna plastic weld a piece right here. I'm gonna take a photo of this one so I can just construct something very similar to the original. So we're gonna be doing that as well. And the reason why I took it off was because I cannot get access to a specific bolt, which I think I might be able to from the top. Alright, so that's the old rack and pinion. This is the hopefully good used rack and pinion. So we're gonna reinstall this one and we're gonna go from there. Out with the old and in with the semi-new. We got that one in. The rack and pinion back in. All the nuts, all the bolts, so everything's tightened up. The steering wheel is as straight as can be right now. We need to get in alignment as soon as possible. Hopefully there's no leaking. Like, check, tie rods are back on, all the bolts are back on, rack and pinion's back on. I'm just gonna go over everything that I took off and make sure that everything's nice and bolted down and nothing's missing, so we can finally just test drive it. But first we gotta do is add the fluids first. So right now I'm really excited to go and take the car out for a drive. I can't believe it's finally happening after a couple hours, I believe, working on the rack and pinion. I'm really excited, and little did I know until I started driving that was not going to be the issue. But I mean, we got some peace of mind now, so now we know it's not the issue, so we got to figure out what other part do we replace that seems a little bit off, seems sketchy, seems damaged, so we can figure this vibration out, because I'm really tired of having the car vibrating. I want it to be ready to finally start going to the track, and we can focus on that part of our lives, but now we're still focusing on the vibration. So sad.